Alright, today's video I'm going to show you how to put props into your FiveM server. You're going to need codewalker. This link will be in the description. Once you've downloaded that, we're going to figure out today how to put a prop bench like this. Bench here, it's in this part of the map, it's not actually here in the base game, with this little post-it note and shotgun shell. So we're just going to add something probably next to this hay bale or some shit. But first thing you need to do is obviously download codewalker. So once codewalker's up and running, to get this bar up here, you want to hit your T button. It'll open that up, and then hit this over here. It'll bring this up. This is a very simple way if you want to add a few props here and there. As you can see in here, the bench isn't there because that's my other YMAP, but we're going to add some stuff right here. All right. To move around, it's WASD. Your scroll wheel is how you can move really fast, and zoom it in, and you can move slower. Another website you're going to need is called plebmasters. This is one of the things that I was trying to use before. And if you go on the home, it brings up obviously a whole bunch of stuff, but we're going to be using object browser. So to add in here, we're just going to put in, I don't know, let's just type in sign, see what comes up. And you want to make sure it's base game as well, from what I found. So you can scroll through, find which ones you like. We'll just put, we'll just do this sign. So you're going to copy that name, or you can hit this here, copy it to clipboard. Once you come down, you want to click on here, new YMAP file. Once you're in map, you're going to change the name to whatever you want. So it's going to do tutorial, and then it'll be tutorial YMAP. Once you're in here, you're going to go YMAP new entity, and it's going to put up a prop alien egg. That's always the default. And then the position, you're going to change that to the thing you copied of the sign, the clipboard, and then now it's changed. So if you just minimize that, it's over here. To bring it forward to you, if you can't see it, hit W or this button up here, move. You can drag it out, there we go. We're going to just put it over here. And obviously, if you need to hit that, we can move around. W, if you hit your this key, you can go in like that. Pretend it's like sort of on the wall. We're gonna get, just for the tutorial of the video, we're gonna get another prop. So we might do like I don't know. They got ATM. Let's see if anything comes up. So ATM, we've wanted to put an ATM somewhere. So copy that. Again, you're going to go up here. Oh, sorry, where your minimized thing is. This. You're going to click YMAP new entity. Put that prop ATM1. So you can see it's in the background there. You're going to bring that forward. To rotate it, you hit the E or that button up there. You can turn it around. We're going to put it down towards, so it's on the floor, back a bit, back here. Again, very simple, easy way to just do it. So now, if you wanted to input that into your server, you're going to go to here. You're going to click on your whatever you named it, tutorial YMAP. You need to make sure you do calculate all flags and calculate extents. Puts all that in for you and that. From there, you're going to click File, Save Tutorial YMAP As. On wherever you're going to put your server, just make a new folder on the desktop for now. We'll call it tutorial. We'll do YMAP like that. Put that in. In here, you need to make another folder called stream. just like that. And in stream, hit save. Sorry, it'll save it. We're going to just minimize that. Again, there's still nothing here in my actual FiveM server. So this is the next part of adding it in. We're going to go onto here. This is my FiveM server. And we're going to bring up my desktop. There's a few scripts I've been using. Tutorial YMAP is in here. You will also need a fxmanifest.lua. So we're going to copy that from here, but pretty much to make one, all you'd have to do is go new, type in fxmanifest.lua. Right, it's going to say no. So it's going to, that's pretty much all you have to do. And then just make sure it doesn't say .txt. Make sure it doesn't have that because it's a text document. But if you were to open this, if you were to open it with fx version cerulean game GTA5, and you got to make sure this underscore is _r_map with yes. I'll put that in the description so you can just copy that. It's very simple. But as you can see here, when I did that, if I open that up, see how it says .txt? We don't want that or it won't work. So we have to rename and just make sure it's not that. So get rid of that if it does say that. So there's stream. That's where your map is. Then all you have to do is go in your FileZilla, the server config. I'll just delete that off there. Download it, make it editable. Go down here, go ensure or start, whichever one you want to do. Tutorial YMAP. Make sure you spell it correctly, or you can just copy the file like that. Hit yes, upload it. So now it's back on my actual server. So what I can do is I can go refresh as a command. Should have come up. Interesting. It's because it's not in here. I haven't actually put it in the server. That's why. So desktop, drag over tutorial YMAP. Like that. Now I do it. Sound 1. It didn't find the manifest. That's what I was talking about before. Let's just try it anyway. Start tutorial YMAP resource. Couldn't find it. It's not there. We're going to try this again. We're going to go new text doctor manifest.lua. We're going to hit open with visual. We're going to copy that in. Might actually, if you want, you can save this as fxlua. Yes, we want to replace it. It's still coming up, but we'll try it anyway. FileZilla, tutorial YMAP. That's why. Get rid of that in your server. For some reason it does that the way I've done it, but pretty much make sure it doesn't have .text in your server. So we can go refresh. It found the resource, as you can see. We want to go now to start tutorial YMAP. It started it, and there you go. It's in now in your FiveM server. It's actually operational because I've got a script that uses ATMs, so it uses this prop, so I can actually interact with it if I turn that script on. But as you can see, it's there. A very simple way to use it. Obviously, this would be on the back of a wall. It'd be in a wall, so you wouldn't be able to see through it. But yeah, you get what's going on. So yeah, it's a very, very simple way. Thanks.